Good day, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adamola Badmus. So in this video, we just want to clean up what we've done. We've been able to successfully use Mailosaur and Cypress. So all this, just this four here. So I'm just going to copy what is here. Then copy this as well. Copy this as well. That makes 4 and 5. Is there any other place that we exposed anything else? That's the only place that we exposed something. So we can go in here and I can rename this. I don't need to recreate a new one. So I just name this one any elements. And when I open it, I can begin to change the values inside it. So there's an email field. The email field is the value of email. First name field. I can do the camel case, or I can do the snake case that I've always been doing before. I've been doing the camel case before, but today I just want to use the snake case. For first name, this is the value for first name, and doesn't matter the order that you put it, everything is fine. So last name field is this. And the click button, and so I'm going to use this opportunity to do two different expressions for this. So the sign up button, let's call it the submit button. The sign up button has this. Let me put the comma there. The sign up button has this. Let me get it out. Where is it taking? What am I doing? Let me copy it again. For some reason my clipboard isn't bringing it. So I'm going to copy again and go here and paste. As you can see there, the inner quotes and the outer quotes have double quotes. So I'm going to just use the escape sequence to address it here. But in the next one, which is the sign up link, in the sign up link, it is like this. It is here. So I'm going to paste it here. So instead of using the escape button, I will just make the inner quote a single quote and it fixes it. So with this done, what I just need to do now is introduce the show command, where I can call the file elements, that's the name of the JSON file, and create the then structure. Let's just call this one L and put the arrow function there. Okay, and everything here can go here, and we begin to replace things here. So we change this one to L.L sign up link. As you can see, I'm only using just one CY.fixture structure. In a previous video, I've shown you how you can make this one. Okay, let's just do it that way too, so you understand it. So I'm just going to undo this. Okay. So I'm going to undo this fixture that I just did, and let me redo and copy that one out. So I'm going to cut it out of here. So I want to do it such that we just need to use it just once. So I'm going to create a before structure. Right? And in the before structure, I will put the CY.fixture there, then also create a variable called data here or something. So I can say data equals L. So that way, everything here can be represented that way. So we can just come and say data is sign up link, just as we've written it here. So copy values. We'll copy the values. Then we change them here as well. So we just do data dot first name field, right? Then data no quotes dot the last name field. Why is it not copying? The last name field and data dot the email field. Yes. And lastly, the submit button. We add that to it as well. Data dot submit button. So we can test our code now and see if everything is still working. What's the sign up link? Did I get that wrong? Let's see. Sign up link. Is it there? No, we don't need this file anymore. Yeah. Sign up link is there. So we don't need this one anymore as well. So it is there. As anticipated subjects to be visible. Oh, we've made an error here. We call that one eval error, but it's supposed to be L. So that's why we didn't see it. So let's run it again and see. As you can see, everything is working now. So that sums it up for us, and that brings us to the end of this video. So in other playlists, because I intend to do more, we will be using Mailosaur with playwright. Yes, let me just let the secret out of the bag. So in case you would like to see that, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also put on your notification bell. And see you in other playlists. Bye bye.